Hi everybody, my name's Dylan if you didn't know. I just got this logo digitized by a guy here on YouTube, Never Deny Me. He does great work. I had him digitize two other designs actually, and I got it digitized to where it could be 3 separate colors. I'm gonna get the embroidery machine all set up. That was super quick. On to the next one. All done. I got it cleaned up. I like it. Red, white, and blue, baby. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. Check him out, Never Deny Me, right here on YouTube. And you can go to his website, www.neverdenyme.com. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. As always, leave a comment. Do you like Never Deny Me? I love that guy. He's great, does great work, and he's super quick with it.